Tonight we're staying at the Holiday Inn Express in Munising, Michigan. We're all the way up to Lake Superior, and the high today will be 60. Sorry for y'all suffering that 100+ degree heat index. So let's check this out. Nice little gift shop, coffee station. There you go. I believe the date today is June. Oh, I'll have to look. It's June. It's, I think, the week before 4th of July weekend. Breakfast was pretty good. Had sausage. They had some potatoes that were a little spicy. Loved them. This is our view. So we picked here, number one, no Marriott. I know it's a change up for us, but I'd been thinking about going with some the IHG brand for a while. But this is our view, and my understanding is this is the best view of any of the hotels in this area. We're very close to the Hiawatha National Park and Painted Rocks. Today we are going on a glass bottom boat tour, so you may want to check that out. For your convenience, they have tourist guides here for things to do around here. And one thing we saw that was pretty interesting, they have this Altran bus. So it's public transportation, but on demand, Monday through Friday. And they do the drunk bus after hours Sunday and Saturday, backpacker shuttles and trolley shuttles. Very cool. And then they have local restaurants and goings on and events that are happening in the area. All right, here we have a vending business center. Sorry, we have a meeting room. Looks like they're trying to, and it said there's extra breakfast seating. They had a tour bus here. Fitness center. Minimal but adequate. And let's see, the pool. Oh my. That pool is fabulous. Look at that. Wow. I'm impressed. Very impressed. So, wow. We got it going on here. Now, we were just told that sometimes up here in the UP, if you don't have a reservation, you don't get a room in the summertime. We lucked out and we got 2 nights here. My original plan was to go to Marquette, but driving here from Detroit was a pretty long trip. It was like 7 hours. So it's about as long as it took to get from Atlanta to Lexington. So yeah, come check this place out. And it's always Christmas around here. Merry Christmas. Let's go check out the room. All right, here's a look at our room. This is a 3-floor hotel. Well, 3 where we are. There are elevators. This is a weird construction. They're things. They're things I don't understand. But here we have a nice entryway, and this is perfect. We have our little cooler with plates and some extra coffee and creamers and stuff over here. And then that is right across from the fridge, microwave and coffee maker. Then we have a closet quite like the closets we saw at, I can't open this one because we have water here, but this one, quite like what we saw at Marriott. There's a safe here though, and that's weird that it's on a pedestal like that. So I guess it was an afterthought. And so over here, I'm going to assume in this closet is ironing board and iron, I guess, would fit in there. And we have 2 queens here. Say hi, Chris.
Hello.
And we have queen here. It's pretty modern. This light's kind of hard to see, but there's a weird funky design on it. And there's my plant, my French lavender from Q-Stead Q. That's going to make me feel at home here. And I like that we have some extra drawers. I haven't looked at these though. They almost look like shoe things, but they're really deep drawers. Place for luggage. Nice desk with outlets on the side here. And let me turn this light on. Oh, that was just like a touch. Don't even have to flip anything. Oh, mood lighting. And then, so, let's see. Regular plugs there. I'm trying to see what kind of plugs we have here. Oh, yes, we do have USB-C. And then, nice little chair over here with a footrest. Now, we don't have a view of the lake here. The lake is in the back, and the view at this hotel is magnificent. It's magnificent. You're away from town and everything. Probably about a mile and a half. Now, there is local public transportation you can take. You just call, they come pick you up. And then they have a drunk bus on the weekends. I'll do a video of that at the end here. Probably, or nah. I'll shoot it and I'll put it somewhere in the middle in my intro of this. How's that? Because I'll do some editing. But anyway, the back view is though magnificent, and there is a public area. They do have breakfast here, all that good stuff. Till 9:30, I think. And this hotel, it must get rowdy here in the summertime because it says like quiet hours are from 8 to 10 a.m. or something like that. They're very strict with the noise levels here. In fact, just coming up here, there was a guy that got scolded because his girls were getting too rambunctious. So if you want a quiet hotel, this is it. This is it. And the price was good for the area. The room is huge. The room is way huge. It's enormous. So I don't know if they do roll-away beds here or not. Now I know the Marriott does not at the Fairfield Inn and Suites. Very strict policy there. So anyway, y'all take care. Thanks for watching. And check out all of our other videos. I've got some restaurants planned. I don't know. Probably go up to the interpretive center tomorrow and start checking out what there is to do and see around here. We're looking at maybe a boat tour. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Look at my channel for that. Subscribe for other videos I have coming up. We'll see you later. Bye. All right. Well, I guess I neglected to show you the bathroom on the tour. We have plenty of room for toiletries. Thank goodness. I love this. And then I like that the tub, it is a tub, full tub, but it has a handheld here. Not shower, you know. Here we go again. No handheld shower, but it does have a safety bar here. You have soap. Of course, there's a ledge because it is a tub, so I could shave my legs. And although I don't think I'll be doing that here, y'all, I think the high tomorrow is going to be 58. And then the high the next day is going to be 60. It gets cold up here. There's a reason it looks like Alaska. It feels like it. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all.